Monday, July 30th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off with a couple of camera shots from across the region. There's a look from the Avalon Pier web camera there in Kitty Hawk. Temperature is 75 degrees. Actually, not a whole lot of wind out there. Officially listed at calm. You can see a little bit of wind there moving some of the flags around. And here's a shot from the coastal community there of Beaufort, North Carolina. We have a temperature of 80 degrees, southwest wind at 10 miles per hour, and certainly it is a mild, muggy start to the day along the coast, but a little bit cooler in the mountains, actually 59 degrees right now in Boone. A couple of showers developing over parts of Virginia and into parts of Rockingham County, North Carolina, up near the Virginia border. Those are very, very small in nature, but a sign of some additional isolated showers and storms that'll fire later today. There's the lion's share of the rain and storms offshore there from near Savannah, but then especially when you get offshore there, the say 50 to 100 miles or so off the coast over the Gulf Stream waters there off of the North and South Carolina coast. A few little spotty showers from North Alabama into parts of Tennessee and the Missouri Boot Heel, and then another big area of rain through southern Nebraska, parts of Kansas, moving to near Kansas City there in western Missouri. Yesterday, we hit 91 for high in Greensboro, 92, Charlotte and Raleigh, Fayetteville 2, 95 in Wilmington, 95 in Columbia. I think a lot of us shy of 90 for highs today, especially up around the I-40 corridor. Notice the upper level pattern, the ridge building back in the plains and the Rockies. That is where the substantial heat is going to be. In the meantime, you have this broad trough here for the next few days in the eastern part of the country before it turns into more of a west to east zonal flow later this week. So you can see the triple digits very evident there over the plain states. In the meantime, look at the more comfortable temperatures here up and down the eastern seaboard. But again, the heat really cranking back in the plain states over the next several days. Lots of triple digits there. Some thin high clouds moving overhead across the region. Again, a couple spotty showers up around the Virginia border. This is during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Temperatures, look at Boone there at 59, but 81 at Elizabeth City, 75 in Wilmington, and 76 in Charleston there along the coast. Dew point temperatures just a little bit lower this morning than where it has been on a lot of recent mornings. It's enough to be a little bit noticeable if you're paying attention out there this morning, slightly less muggy. Now, as we go through the day, there'll be some isolated showers and thunderstorms forming. The severe weather threat today across the Piedmont, not that great. There might be one or two pulse-type severe storms, but it just doesn't look like a big severe weather day. And then any isolated showers and storms this evening should largely fall apart as we lose the heating of the day. Here's the setup. Frontal boundary stalled closer to the coast. That's where the more widespread activity is going to be. But we have another cold front approaching from the north, and that should bring us pretty good chances tomorrow. Some scattered thunderstorms, and same deal on Wednesday. Pretty good opportunity for scattered thunderstorms once again. As we went through the day yesterday, you notice not a whole lot of activity around, just a few isolated storms over central North Carolina. Most of that activity was much closer to the coast. Again, that's where the most coverage of storms will be again today, with more isolated coverage further inland. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.